Hey guys, Steve here at the Landscape Capital again. Quick tip on trailer jacks. Just something so small that literally save you some money. And just one less thing to worry about. These trailer jacks, most of the time, they don't have a grease zerk right here. When you go to buy one, make sure it's got one. Literally, I mean, you do a few pumps, you know, every few weeks, or even just once a month. Set an alarm on your phone is what I do, and it just tells me, hey, go grease up the trailer. And once a month I'm greasing the hubs on the trailer, and then I'm greasing this jack here, which I just had to get a new one. The other one didn't really go down far enough. I want to be able to jack the trailer off of the truck without a block, just in case. You never know, because some of our trucks sit a little higher, or say the drop hitch or something like that is not far enough. It's just, most of the time we use just the straight throughway ball hitches, and it you know, works pretty good. I'll show you on our F450. We use these tri-ball hooks right here, and we usually lock them on. Here I've got an adapter, or an extension, so the farther out you go, the less weight you can tow with these, because you're going farther away from your weight source right there. And I think this is only an 8-inch that'll do 6,500 pounds. They have some 18 inches, but they're really expensive if you want a 6,000 pound one. And then they're even I don't know. We typically don't need to extend out, because we're usually running a pintle, and a pintle sticks out this far pretty much, just about. So we don't need an extension for that. But when we're just towing small utility trailers like this one right here, where the jack is closer to the tongue, it's a problem. Now, however, too, I'm about to work on this too. This jack got bent up with too low of a hitch on one of my trucks. They went, it was just like kind of a hilly curb kind of deal, and it just snagged the jack. So that's what I'm going to be doing here shortly. I'm going to use a come along. I think I might be able to straighten it out, just attaching it to the frame up here. So just a little quick tip. You guys stay safe.